Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's try some cleaning brushes.
When we clean, the most amazing thing can be having some tools or products that help us clean faster and easier. I just bought these 4 brushes and today I want to test them. You can find on Amazon a variety of these brushes and they are affordable too. I have a flexible pipe brush that cleans gunk and removes hair easily. A brush for door and window slides and gaps. You can see it has a little scraper on that end and a very narrow brush on the other end. A corner brush that can be utilized in so many places. It is convenient to clean corners, crevices, grooves, and other narrow positions. And the last brush that comes like this, and while you clean, it separates and you have this little brush that can go into more narrow places. Let's try the drain brush. I will use it in my bathroom sink. Let's see. Oh, my red hair! I didn't even imagine I had all this hair into the bathroom sink drain. Look at this. Now let's see the bathtub. I am sure here I will find more hair because I lose so much hair and I always brush over the tub. Yes, look at this. There was more hair in there. This brush did a great job into the bathroom. I'm happy with my purchase. I often buy and try different tools and products to help me with the cleaning. If you're interested, I will link my cleaning helper products playlist at the end. I want to try this brush into the kitchen too. This brush is long enough to clean most drains or traps. It's flexible and thin and it's made of steel wire and plastic material with durable hard-wearing bristles. It's effectively cleaning places that are hard to reach, such as plug holes and overflows. It keeps drains cleaned and clog-free. The brush is rigid enough to clean pipes, but flexible enough to follow curves. You can even put some cleaner on the bristles to clean the pipe well. I knew there was no hair into the kitchen sink drain, but I removed some gunk. This brush can be cleaned so easily by spraying on it a disinfecting spray. Let it sit and rinse. I used this Ace bathroom cleaner that contains bleach to disinfect too. The next to try is the door and window gaps cleaning brush. I want to put it to test on the bathroom's door frame. It's been a while since I cleaned it and it's so dirty. This brush cleans windows, gaps, sliding doors, shower door tracks and much more. It's designated to fit into those little spaces to sweep dirt away. The brush sweeps the dirt away, while the scraper dislodges debris from tight corners. It has a curved handle for a secure hold, and it can be cleaned easily with dish soap or the cleaner of your choice. This brush practically goes where no sponge can fit. It cleans all the tiny crevices where dust and dirt accumulate. The scraper end loosens and removes caked-on grime and soap residue. This brush is perfect for all the little spaces that you can't reach even with a toothbrush. This brush gets everywhere. The door frame is sparkling clean. This brush works like a charm. It did a very good job.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme.
The next brush to try is this 2-in-1 brush. It easily becomes double, a big brush and a tiny brush. Very practical. I want to test it on the bathtub. First, I will spray it with the same antibacterial cleaner that I used before and let it sit according to instructions.
Keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
Then I will scrub thoroughly my tub and show you how I use that little brush into those little spaces where the big one doesn't reach.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
It has smooth bristles, so it doesn't scratch the tub. At the end I rinse very well, and now here is my sparkling clean tub.
Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
The last brush to test is this corner brush. This brush meets a variety of demands. You can choose the most suitable according to different areas. It has the right amount of stiffness. It's very handy to clean tight spaces. This cleaning brush adopts special V-shape bristles, plus has another tiny brush at the other end. You can use it to clean crevices into your fridge or the refrigerator's door gasket. It is handy to clean a variety of things and places. It is an excellent assistant in household life. Around your stovetop. I know my stovetop is dirty. I cleaned it immediately after filming this video by trying other cleaning products. It will be next week's video. Be on the lookout. Around your sink. I must say I am very pleased with these 4 cleaning brushes I bought. They are very handy gadgets to have around. A good set of cleaning helpers. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever tried this kind of brushes. Around corners, walls and baseboards and much more. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!